This is the EcoQube Air. The EcoQube Air is a desktop hydroponics greenhouse designed to improve your quality of life. It adds healthy air, smart light therapy, thriving greenery, and beauty to any space. EcoQube Air is the best solution for indoor gardening because it provides the perfect environment for plants to grow. The plants thrive by absorbing only as much nutrients and water as they need, with ebb and flow hydroponic technology, and uses 90% less water. The beautiful integrated LED lighting system provides the perfect spectrum of colors to support optimal plant health. The covered greenhouse maintains humidity and warmth for abundant greenery. Our airflow system utilizes a 3-step filtration process. First, the air enters through a HEPA-like mechanical filter that removes dust, pollen, and mold. Next, the activated carbon filter removes harmful chemicals. ADI's mission is to improve people's lives by designing the most beautiful, low-maintenance desktop ecosystems ever. This is the future, a living space that works for you. Let's bring nature back into our lives and blur.
What if there was no need to constantly water your plant or clean your fishbowl? Nearly hours are spent on maintenance with cleaning and watering these two household items. We bring you AquaJar, a low-maintenance fish jar and plant grower. The most easy-to-use and self-sustaining ecosystem for your home, classroom, or business. On top of the jar, we've incorporated a plant that takes in the fish waste as fertilizer, while in return, cleaning the water. This technology is known as aquaponics. In fact, the plant puts in good bacteria needed for the fish to live happy and healthy. Algae is another major issue. That's why we've developed a natural grain extract solution that when adding drops once a week, you prevent the growth of unwanted algae. Because there are no plugs, you can place it wherever you like, in your home or even at your work. This is a product for all ages. You can either transplant herbs or plants that work best with the system. Just place the seeds on top and watch it grow. Feeding is surprisingly simple. Place one pellet each day in the feeder tube and watch the ecosystem thrive.
Rachio lets you take control of your watering. You can easily adjust your sprinklers at any time. Rachio waters just the right amount, and it won't water in the rain. So you can get the great yard you want while saving time and money. To start, Rachio is simple to install and easy to set up on the app. Customize your watering to your yard by plant type, soil type, sun exposure, and more. Then tap into Rachio's vast network of local weather stations to tune your watering to the latest forecasts. You're ready to take control. Keep an eye on your yard from anywhere. Rachio automatically checks weather forecasts and adjusts schedules for seasonal changes, colder temperatures, and rain, saving you up to 50% on your outdoor watering bill, while helping save over 500 million gallons of water nationwide. And you'll know it works. Rachio is EPA WaterSense certified and tested to the industry's highest standards. So have time to enjoy that great yard without the wasted water or money. All with the control of Rachio.
Specialized in plants and in agriculture. So Flower Power is the first consumer product that permits you to do precision agriculture. It is in a certain way precision gardening. Placez le Flower Power en pleine terre ou dans un pot, localisez-le sur la carte dans l'application et suivez l'évolution des plantes de votre jardin.
The watering content of substrate measures fertilization and it measures temperature. We help Parrot to work at a set threshold of the database, and the database is covering more than 6,000 plants.
Your garden now will send data to the web server and you will be aware of how the garden is living when you have to water your plant or when you have not enough sun for your plant. Vous n'oublierez plus jamais d'arroser vos plantes. Vous saurez l'exacte quantité d'engrais qu'il faut mettre.
Thanks for watching my video. Drop a like, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe.